I have no idea what I'm saying because I have a sugar high right now. My marshmallow went on vacation. Just a little, it's a little toasty. We are making marshmallow fondant today. I know fondant is not the best word, not many people like it. Great to look at, but it tastes kind of yucky. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make marshmallow fondant. It's really pliable and it's actually delicious. So first off, you're gonna have some mini marshmallows. Put it in a microwave safe bowl, add a splash of water. We're gonna microwave this for a minute and a half in 30-second intervals. BRB. So it's been a minute and a half, all melty, like this. Deflates a little, totally fine. What I'm going to do is add 3/4 of my confectioner sugar. Then we're gonna stir that in. It's gonna be a little funky at first, but it's gonna come together. Make sure you're using a rubber spatula to get to the bottom, especially when it's straight out from the microwave, because you're gonna burn your hand if you don't. We're gonna spread some shortening onto the counter. This will help prevent it from sticking. And then we're going to dump it on the counter. And now we're just gonna knead it. If it gets a little sticky like this, just rub your hands with a little shortening so it comes right off. Also a great moisturizer. See? Ta-da! Rub it, rub it, rub it. Knead it, knead it, knead it. It will get a little clumpy at first from the confectioner sugar, but if you just keep kneading it, it'll blend in. And you'll have that smooth fondant-like texture. If it's still a little sticky, just add a little more confectioner sugar. Great kneading technique, push back, fold in, push back, fold in. If you want the kiddies to join, this would be a good time now because the fondant is nice and cool, just slightly warm, but it's fine to touch and they won't burn their little hands and make them do the hard work. See? No sticky. Okay. I'm gonna make a pig. I think it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna save some white. I'm gonna take a little blob for black, for the little detail. And then I'm gonna save a different chunk for pink. I'm gonna use gel food coloring. It's nice and saturated and won't change the texture of the fondant too much. So let's start off with our good friend, pink. This is just dusty rose. If it gets a little sticky, confectioner sugar. So this is a very light piglet color. I'm thinking more micro pig. Okay, so this guy's good. We just let him chill. And now with the black. Just be very gentle. Just a little. I like to do this way with black. Take it in, hide it. You can also make all these different colors, leave them on counter, and when you have a party, they can make their own. Black. Oink. Okay. Now, let's make our little piggy friend. I'm gonna rub my hand with a little shortening again so it doesn't stick. Piggy. Piggy head done. Piggy has a snout. Okay, now we're going to make the eyes. Just take little tiny white pieces, little nostrils. Oink. Isn't he a cutie? I think he came out pretty good. But before I take a bite of him, my friends made other friends. Where'd all my friends go? Uh-oh. They made other friends. We have a whole farm. So a kitty cat, cow, a little puppy, and last but not least, Sarah made this bunny. You can make any animals you like. It's super easy. You can also roll this out and cover a cake. Actually, this is better than having cake. It's chewy, it's sugary, it's delicious. Keep chewing this down. No princess bites here.